Kizungu ama Kiswahili?
No, speak in English.
Oh, you're sure niongee in English?
You see, where I come from, the county where I come from, English is a default setting. You see, the way you buy your phone with the message, missed calls, things you don't download. A Luo child is born with English with them. You see, when a Luo child takes the report book back at home, your father asks you, how have you performed in rocket science?
What's that?
That is Kiswahili. And how have you performed in mother tongue? That is English. You see, we are born already.
It's inside.
You see, then you wonder why so many Luos are doctors, lawyers. You see, the way you speak to your child from the word go. You see, when a Luo parents walk at home, I text to 2 years old, Dr. Viambo, have you bathed? You see, the kid knows that later in life I'm supposed to be a what?
A doctor.
Engineer Uma. That is a 5-year-old.